Everyone, my name is Shubham Santosh Pandit. Today's date is 30 July 2021 and today's video topic is control statement in Java. What control statement? The Java compiler executes the code from top to bottom. The statement in the code are executed according to the order in which they appear. However, Java provides statements that can be used to control the flow of Java code. Such statements are called control flow statements. It is one of the fundamental features of Java, which provides smooth flow of program. Java provides three types of control statement. First, decision making statement, then loop statement, and then jump statement. In decision making statements there is if statement and switch statement, and in loop statement there is if, do while loop, for loop, and for each loop, and in jump statement there is break statement and continue statement. While discussing about decision making statement, as the name itself suggested, decision making statement decide whether the statement to execute and when, which statement is execute and when to execute. Decision making statements evaluate boolean expression and control the program flow depending upon the result of the condition. And there are two types of decision making statements in Java, that is if statement and switch statement. In a if statement, it is used to evaluate the condition. The control of the program is diverted depending upon the specific condition. The condition of the if statement gives a boolean value, either true or false. In Java, there are four types of if statement: simple if statement, if else if statement, then if else statement, and nested if statement. And then switch statement. While talking about switch statement, firstly, switch statement is similar to the if else if statement. In switch statement contains multiple blocks of code called cases, and a single case is executed based on the variable which is being switched. The switch statement is easier to use instead of if else statement. It also enhances the readability of the program, in that the cases cannot be duplicated. Break statement terminate the switch block when the condition is satisfied. It is optional if not used in case it is executed. Then loop statement. While talking about loop statement, sometimes we need to execute the block of code repeatedly while some condition evaluates to true. However, loop statements are used to execute the set of instruction in repeated order. The execution of the set of instruction depending upon particular condition. In Java, we have three types of loop that executed similarly. However, there are difference in their syntax and the condition checking time. That are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. For loop, first, for loop, it enables us to initialize the loop variable, check the condition, and increment decrement in a single line of code. we use the for loop only when we exactly the number of times we want to execute the block of code. Then, then next one is while loop. While loop is also used to iterate over the number of statements multiple times. It is unlike the loop, the initialization and increment decrement doesn't take place inside the loop statement in while loop. And then do while loop. The do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop after execution of the loop statement. When the number of iteration is known and we have to execute the loop at least once, we can use do while loop. So that's all about